Hey, this is Charles. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a drone to drop little snappy caps. These are called party snaps. There are all kinds of different things, but it's a little explosive little popper thing. Not harmful, but do not try this at home. Already glued the Keurig cup on top of my drone that flips. We're going to put some of these in there, fly it, flip it, see if they pop. What you want to do is take your Keurig cup and put some hot glue on the bottom, and then take your drone and stick it firmly in the middle. And you want to make sure your props are not going to hit. Alright, these little snap things, you've probably seen them before. They basically, you throw them and they land on something and they pop. So, what we're going to do is get us a handful of them. I don't know, 6. Carefully place them in the cup, which is right here. And then we'll fly this and flip it and see how it goes. Did not fall out? Oh, they popped in midair. Did you see that?
Yes, I did.
I'm gonna try just one this time. Oh, there's 2 still in there. 2 did not fall out. Here we go. I'll try a sideways roll this time. Oh, 1 popped in midair and 2 landed. I'm gonna try just one this time. And that is dropping bombs. Okay, now that it's quiet, I'm gonna drop. I've got the 1 snappy pop inside there. And I'm going to drop it and see if it pops on the driveway. It didn't fall out. Fish. Are you not entertained? What was that yeah comment about?
I thought you said my name, so I was responding. I seriously thought you were going to be like Beth, so I said yes.
No, I said yeah, it worked that time.
Oh.
I'm still saying quiet on the set. Alright, now, I've got a handful of snappy pops in there.
And apparently an annoying audience.
Yes. Dropping bombs from a drone. Don't try this at home. As always, thanks for watching.
I want to go to soda.
Noda.
Oh, man.
Alright, I'm going to do 3.
It's still recording.
Yes?
That means you still have to be quiet.
3 this time. What works better, Annabelle? Side flip or front flip?
I think side flip.
was the highest one yet. Oh, am I still recording? Oh, there's still one in there. That's crazy how there's always one left.
You
Yeah.
are still recording.
I think that one hit the grass.
One of them did at least.
Okay.